Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing wonderful, amazing collection of beautiful, powerful, cute, tiny little Lord Ganesh conchs. These are beautiful, cute, tiny little Lord Ganesh conchs from the Indian Ocean. Yeah, nearly 5 conchs. Nearly it is a 14 years collection. It is not easily collected. It is a nearly 14 years collection, art collection. All conches will be in the shape of Lord Ganesh. Cute little and shape of Lord Ganesh. How beautiful is Lord Ganesh. You can see the eye, head, trunk, beautiful shape of Lord Ganesh. All conches will be beautiful shape of Lord Ganesh. All are collected from Indian Ocean. So you can see eye, trunk, beautiful Lord Ganesh. See, it is how beautiful Lord Ganesh. In all conches you can see the eye, tusk, trunk. Sorry, it is selling nearly 14 years collection. It is in this conch. Here you can see eye, trunk, tusk. Beautiful collection. It is a Dakshinavachi Lord Ganesh. Smooth bottom. See, perfect in the shape of Lord Ganesh. You can see eye. It is not a easy collection, very hard collection. Nearly 5 conches. Beautiful collection. It is extremely difficult and rare to collect like this conches. This is another very rare collection. You can see some. All are cute little tiny beautiful Lord Ganesh conch from Indian Ocean. Very long collection, nearly 14 years collection. This 5 conches. In every conch you can see that eye, trunk, tusk, perfect in the shape of Lord Ganesh. Amazing blessings of Lord Ganesh. Beautiful blessings of Lord Ganesh. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.